why do we need teachers? We have a crisis of knowledge. We have a lot of people who are unfortunately trying to do this on their own, and they don't realize that this is, a very deep, the whole, tradition is an ocean, right? There's so much knowledge. And I think, as they say, the more you learn, the more you realize how little you know. And that, unfortunately, it gets lost on, I think, a lot of people when they're just in the age of information. They think, oh, at the tip of my fingers, I can go and do a search and I can find the answer from Sheikh Google or Sheikh whoever. And right away, they're putting out fatwas of their own, or they're kind of, cherry picking, right? This is oftentimes what happens. You take the opinion that suits your nafs, your hawa, and there's really no thought process. There's really no context. There's really no fact checking. There's none of that can happen when you're with a teacher, because the teacher, that's what they're trained to do. They're trained to, take the knowledge that is being presented, not only elucidate and explain it, but also point you in the correct direction so that you don't get lost with that knowledge. Of course, we know there are many concepts and ideas that can be, very, very, overwhelming if you're not prepared for those things. And this is why, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands us in the Quran, right? فَاسْأَلُوا أَهْلَ ذِكْرَ إِن كُنتُمْ لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. What does that mean? You have to first know what you don't know. And that's the imperative in that last part of the ayah, right? Ask people of knowledge if you don't know. But if you don't know that you don't know, right, which is what can happen when you're in the delusion, again, of modern times with degrees in academia and a lot of puffery around knowledge, right? There's a lot of people who think they know because they've been told that they are this or that. But subhanAllah, when you study with a teacher, it's very humbling, and you realize right away how little you really know.